What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we have this beautiful Volkswagen Golf GTI that we have right in front of us, and as you can see, the color of this car is in black, and it is an absolute gorgeous looking car, especially for a dark color like this. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks from the back with all the black that is on the car. Check out the wheels, amazing look, as you can see. Yeah, beautiful place. So let us start off with the front and what we actually are looking at, guys. Okay, so firstly we have the beautiful red line that we see across the whole front of the light. As you can see right there, it goes across. You also get the IQ light, is what they call it. Some dark finishes on the internal part of the lights that we have right there, together with the chrome finish, and your GTI wording right here, the badge for the front. You do get your DRLs that will come on like this over here. Of course, the car, later I can try to turn on the front lights to show it to you guys. But you do have your badging, amazing Volkswagen badging that we have right here. You do get this matte texture-like finish of a front bumper, some opening right here for air to flow through, your ADAS sensor. Number plate goes right here, and yeah, you do have your amazing lights that are happening on the left and the right of the car. So the bottom piece right here, you do have the black painted finish, which goes alongside the whole side right here, as you can see. And you do get this matte texture-like finish on the outside and goes underneath. That's kind of cool. You do have the gloss black finishing that we have on this side right here as well, so that's kind of nice. So for the top hood, you do have some lines that are on this side and on this side right here, so that's very, very cool indeed. Beautiful layout. So Volkswagen badging, amazing, stylish and nice design like that. So from the side right here, we'd love to go that way. In fact, let's go down to the other side and let's see what we have right here. So you do have your amazing wheel that we have in this two-tone finish, black on the side right here, but silver is on the outside. You do have the red calipers that are going on that side, solid disc brakes right there, and you do have the Bridgestone tires that we see right here, together with your Potenza tires is what they're using. And yeah, the tire size for this car, let me just try and find it, it's at 22, 225, 40, R18. So that's the size of the particular wheel that we have right here. So amazing layout. So on the side part of the car, you do have the GTI wording right here as well. You do have this matte finish like of a side mirror, amazing indeed. You have this rubberized kind of like a finish for the whole side of the doors that we get at the bottom right here also as well, so that's kind of nice. Mirrors are in black, following the body color of the car. And the bottom here, you do get this rough matte surface of a side skirting, which is kind of nice. Door handles are on this side, so let's open it up. You get your Volkswagen wording right there at the door, so that's kind of cool. So open up the doors and see what we see. On the inside part right here, you do get this amazing hard finish of a some sort of PU leather, I believe. You do have your handle to open up the doors. You get this amazing texture-like finish for the side, kind of cool. Lighting underneath, hopefully you guys can see it. You do have your handle to hold, pull to close the door. Window adjustments up and down. This hard plastic finish, very nice. Matte finish, it's very cool. Get this leather finish over here. And then these ones are this hard plastic that's going on. Speaker goes right there, compartment storage down here, so that's kind of nice. For the side of the doors, hard plastic down here. You got red stitching at the side of the carpet, black carpet. And the interior seats, love the lines that are on it, especially the two-tone finish with the black and the grey, with the GTI wording right here, some red stitching, some red lining, so that's very nice indeed, man. Seat belts are in black, very cool. So let's hop right in, take a look at what we see. Of course, amazing interior space is what we're looking at. Love the glove compartment, the angles of the chrome, satin chrome kind of finish, very nice indeed. Air vent adjustments here and there. And yeah, very nice textured like finish over here and here, very cool. You get your Harman Kardon sound system and also this very nice leather dashboard kind of a thing. So yeah, you have an amazing screen that we have right here, and damn cool indeed, man, dude. I like what I see. So everything here is touch. Let me see if the volume I can, yeah, wind down. You can actually touch it to wind down, so that's kind of nice. Very, very nice indeed. Just cancel that. I believe you have tons of apps that you can choose from this side, so that's really, really cool. I like it. It's not bad. Very, very nice indeed. So anyways, we have an amazing center finish of a gear together white here as well, and that is very nice indeed, guys. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in black also as well, so that's kind of nice. You do have your rear to take a look at as well. Okay, so jumping right in to the rear, before that, I noticed with the lights on, can you see that they have their so-called welcome light for the side with the GTI wording that shoots down such a beautifully designed way. And where is it coming from, guys? It's coming all the way, I believe, from the top right there. Can you see that? Beautifully shot down, so that's nice. So let's open up the doors and take a look. First thing what we see, hard texture like plastic on this side. Similar over here. Love the ambient lighting that's hiding underneath. You got your handles to open up the door, holding to pull to close the door. You got your window adjustments, speaker, compartment storage down here. You have your speaker down there as well. Hard plastic at the bottom. You got this leather finish here, leather finish over here. So that's very nice indeed. So for the interior part, for the rear, you do get a two-tone grey and black with the red stitching. Very nice. Seat belts are in black as well, so that's kind of nice. So let's sit right in, take a look at what we are looking at. Red lining for the rear of the seat, very sporty, very thick and very nice. Got some red lining right here. Some storage space for you to keep some stuff here and also here, down here. Legroom is fantastic and it looks good. So you got your two air vents right here, touch sensitive controls. You got your USB-C connectivities, both of them, so that's kind of nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seat belts are in black, so that's kind of nice. So let's see what's hiding right here in the center. Two cup holders on this side. This, I believe, should be some sort of like access for the rear boot. If you wish to keep some stuff, you can actually, yeah, even fold it back from this side, I believe, in a way, for you to push it back up. Very nice indeed. So let's get to the center and sit right in. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Love the lights that are happening up here, man. Nice. So fabric lining at the top. There's no glass roof, but yeah, fabric light texture for the top. Love the headrest, two-tone black right here. Let's get right down and show you what I see. So me getting down, first thing you'll notice is, of course, the rear wheels of this car. They're using Potenza tires that we have right there. Bridgestone is the brand. So 225/40 R18, solid disc brakes for the back. You got the silver lining on the outside, black finishing on the inside, together with some red calipers that we have right there. So that's very nice for a car like this. So you do also get your petrol cap. It's on this side. Very cool indeed. You get your IQ light that we have right there. Love the rear design for the brake lights that we see right here. Beautiful. I love all these different kinds of partition and design. So you do have your Volkswagen badging, GTI wording right there. Amazing design, amazing layout. So beautiful touch for the exhaust pipes as well. So that's kind of nice. Beautiful, beautiful layout, guys. So the top shark fin antenna. You got this, your brake lights hiding right there. Amazing layout indeed. So let's hop right into the driver's side of things. For that, let's leave this door open. Show it to you guys. And what we see right here. So as I mentioned, you got your light. And let's take a look of what we see. So you do have this so-called finishing, this PU finish. You get this textured-like finish over here. Love this finishing. Handle to open up the doors, unlock the lock. You got your window adjustment for the front, for the back, child lock for the rear windows, handle to hold. You got your side mirror adjustments, compartment storage down here. Speaker goes right there, so very cool indeed. So the interior part for the driver's side, also very cool. Let's hop right in. Accelerator pedals and brake pedals are in this chrome finish. Very, very nice indeed. So this is a beautiful steering wheel, man, dude. Love the finishing. It's happening all over the place. GTI wording, amazing. Volkswagen badging. Volume up, volume down adjustments. Love the touch. Not really touch controls, but more like physical buttons, so that's kind of nice. Your other controls, heated steering wheel and whatnot. Cruise control settings on this side. You get your signal adjustments on this side together with your light. These ones should be your wipers and whatnot. So yeah, very nice indeed. Love it. So these should be your DRLs, I believe. You can turn them on if you wish to, which are also touch sensitive, I believe. Yeah, very cool. So we will go in front and check out the lights in a while more if it's turned on. But you got an amazing screen that we have right here. You got your assist for your, I believe, for some sort of like driving assistance. Your modes for driving modes, I believe, for different driving modes you can press. You got your hazard light, you got your menu, you got your place to rest your phone inside right here while you're charging, so you can hold it down while you accelerate so the phone doesn't fly off. Another place to keep some other stuff on top, which is another phone perhaps. You got your drive, you got your P, you got your engine start stop button, slot to slot in, something else to keep, handbrake, auto hold. Love the silver lining that goes across the side, including right here as well. 2 cup holders, 12-volt socket, and compartment storage down here, very cute, very compact. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. I love the way this car feels and looks. Ah yes, memory seats, you got 3 down here. You got your electronic seat adjustments, lumbar support, but on that side, that's using manual. So yeah, you got your mirrors that are located like this, light shooting here and there. Fabric lining for the top, as I mentioned, so you do get your lighting over here. Very cool indeed. Love it. So let's see if the lights are already on. Check out the front, man, dude, with the DRLs. So you do have the front already lighted up. Check it out, man, dude. Beautiful layout. Let's take a front cover photo for the car like this. It looks absolutely amazing, man, dude. Check this out, man, dude. You see what I mean? Love the lighting. Even this has its own light. Your DRLs underneath, including the side right here, how it just goes into one line, and you get your lights inside there as well. Can you see? How about if it's a bit darker? Can you see right here what I mean? It's lighted up on the inside, so that's beautiful, man. Very, very nice. Love it. Now what about the rear? Let's take a look at what we see. Oh, beautiful. Love the lighting that goes across. Then you get all these different designs like that. So reverse light should be like this. Beautiful design. Love how it looks, man, dude. Amazing. So let's turn on the turn indicators and show you guys how it's like. So of course, signal indicators are right here. And what we see right here. So you get your turn indicators on the inside as well as on the outside. And you do have them at the front right here as well. I like how it waves and goes across. You get what I mean? The DRLs underneath still maintain. Even the center still remains. The side right here, beautiful. Love it. Beautiful. Amazing layout, man. So even for the back, you do have your signal lights right inside right here. So that's damn beautiful, man. I like it. It's different. It's together with the brake lights. Beautiful. Love how it looks. Very sporty and very aggressive. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Volkswagen cars, do head down to Sri Hartamas, where you can locate this Golf GTI, the latest, and also other models that these guys have on display. Amazing layout. Beautiful car. So if you'd like to find out more, check out the link in the description down below, and you can locate this place and also get in touch with Brian. He's more than happy to assist you. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.